Hi guys, Barnes here, and hopefully you are practicing a lot, but you still want to learn a new trick. So let's try today the nollie backside disaster. As you go up the ramp, you have to ride in nollie position, so you can do a setup trick for this like a fake a disaster. Make sure you have enough speed to reach the coping, and when your front wheel is almost at the coping, you have to shift your weight to your front truck and bend your knees with your back leg while you turn your board 180 degrees. You have to turn your shoulders and hip and poke your board over the coping. Make sure you look down on your board to see where you're at, and this will help you to find your balance. When you fully turn, you can straighten your leg and hold the position, then get back to the ramp. You have to shift again your balance to your front foot, push down in your nose, so you can lift up your back truck just enough to clear the coping. When you clear the coping, quickly shift your balance over to the center of your board, put down all four wheels and roll away. The trickiest part is to find the balance on your coping and not over rotate. So when you turn your shoulders, make sure you look down, spot the coping, and then look at your nose to make sure to see where you're going. If you guys enjoyed it, give a thumbs up and ask your questions in the comments below. Next trick's on Thursday, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you like, but the most important is to go skate and have fun.